Hello friends, welcome back to our today's new video. Okay, so as we can see that is today our today's topic is future with going to and present continuous tense part 6. So like before parts, okay, so the previous parts we have learned everything. But in this part, we will learn that is how to give the short answers by using with future, with going to and present continuous. Okay, so in this video, we will explore that is what are the short answers can be. Okay, and how can we ask a question and how can we answer the question and which sentence positive or negative we can use the contraction or not. Okay, so today's video will be like this. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started in our today's video journey. So look at the board parts. So in here you can see, first of all, I have written that is, are they going to school? Okay, so here we can see that is going to. Okay, so here the subject is first because it has just changed the order. First of all, it started with are, but here we can see the they. Okay, so the answer will be same, start with they, and the question first of all starts with are, so the last will be same like are. Okay, so during this we can just simply say, are they going to school? By positive we can transform it like this, yes they are. Okay, so here during the positive we can use any contractions. Okay, so there's no need to use any types of contraction this, but in negative we have to use it. Here you can see that is, no they're not, they are not. Okay, so here this is the contraction, they are, they are not, or you can say no they aren't. Okay, no they aren't. So here this is the first number of going to. You can use any types of subjects with going to, that is he, she, okay, I, you, etc. Then next is, here we have also always use it with the present continuous here, and that is, we can see, is Maria joining us for dinner tonight? Okay, it's just a simple example. So how can we answer it? Yes, so here if we want to show it, here we can see that is Maria. Okay, so Maria indicates a girl, okay, a female. That's why we have used here she. Okay, she. So here we can see that is, yes she is, because here Maria is the subject, as we can see. So it is the subject here, but we have to see one step, that is before Maria it is used is. Okay, why? Because Maria is a singular number. Okay, singular number. Why? Because it's a person's name, it's third person singular number, so that's why it is used is. Okay, that's why the at the last it is also used is, and during the this is called positive, that's why we have used here yes. So in here there isn't any contraction, but during the negative we have to use the contraction. For example, no she's not. Here first of all, this she's not means she is not, and then we can use it this form. Also we can use it another form like this, no she isn't. So these are also another contraction form. Okay, and then next is, are you leaving soon? Same like this, but it's a little bit of different, because when you ask something, when you are asking someone, or when someone is asking you, so you have to give the answer with I. Okay, for example, that is, are you leaving soon? Okay, so it's just like this, so you have to use I here. So here, yes I am, yes I am, so there isn't any contraction. And if we want to do it into the contraction during the negative, it will be no I'm not. So here's only the one contraction during okay, no I'm not means no I'm not. Okay, so these are the short answers like this into this part. So here today we have already learned that is how to give the short answer. So by watching our video, you can also create more examples and more theories. Okay, so that's it. And if you like our video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video. And see you in the next video, everyone. And thanks for now, and bye for now.